It's so big, Banks. It was like a good size. Now it's like a football field.
The hell is this?
Go-kart ramp?
No, this.
This is a go-kart ramp that you approved.
No, you said you had to jump the brap with a go-kart.
Jumping the go-kart over the brap.
Right, like you could, it's this tall.
Lindsay wanted a deck.
Okay, it's for Lindsay. I don't have as much explaining to do. It's a deck. This isn't the go-kart ramp. This is a deck.
This is a deck that we built a free go-kart ramp with, basically.
Oh, you're a genius.
Yeah.
Huh. Man, I thought we overspent.
No.
2 birds, 1 stone.
If he jumps it big enough, maybe we put the Corvette in there too.
I love you, Lindsay. This is your deck.
We're gonna do a test jump, and then we'll probably move this thing apart, and we'll put the car in here, and it'll be fun.
That's the motor. He's gonna take over this go-kart jump.
I mean,
that was sick.
You didn't even let her warm up.
No need.
He's gonna go so far.
Can't even bend my knee, so like no brakes, just gas. Woo! There's like no air in the tires because I just set them on the bead and then left them.
This is really awesome because I'm gonna go be a cheer dad right now and I have to leave. Try not to land on one of the vehicles. Try not to die. Send me a video when it works.
Oh my gosh. Man, his career's really changed.
Dude, double backflips to jumping Vespas.
There's nothing so good about this. Olivia, put your helmet on.
Well, my chest jump was 20 feet. So to get those wheels, or the tires to fit the wheels, we cut all the wheels down and they all wobble because they're not straight. I'm gonna iPhone clip this in case it goes off the side.
I didn't want to say it.
I guess the iRacing paid off a little bit. That is so damn fun. I haven't jumped cars much.
See what you can do with $500 on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, and Travis's deck.
Lindsay's
It's like
deck.
you're going up it, and you just don't see nothing but the sun. You know, you feel like you might be on the stairway to heaven, and then the ground drops out, and you're like, and then you land, and you're like, man, you just gotta trust the process.
So how far is too big of a hit?
Depends on who you're asking.
Is this weld gonna hold right here?
Yeah, dude, I've done it so many times, man.
Christian, did you weld that?
Yeah, I did, dude. These guys taught me how to weld. I would love to do more welding.
As long as you're actually hitting where it needs to be welded this time. When you totally miss, it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, but like when all the
there's no butts in there.
If it wasn't for me, Jim, the loop, it wasn't gonna stick together.
Seems kind of sketchy what you're doing there.
Don't worry about it. Funny enough, this was Gray's championship winning steering wheel, and everybody's
you're
like,
gonna win a championship on that today.
yeah, but everybody's like, oh, that's not a $500 cart. Steering wheel's $300, $150 motor.
That's from like Harbor Freight, right?
Yeah, Harbor Freight. That's I think on like the 3rd version of the return. They're like, oh, do you want the warranty? Yeah, the warranty. So I buy the warranty. They shouldn't sell it if they don't want me to use it. Tires, Amazon special, $50 for 2. And everything else is thrown together or welded or made and safety wired. Like, you don't need 2 bolts for your brake to safety wire it on. No, there's nothing about safety here. This is just go fast, don't die. Because everybody's like, oh, your back hurts, or oh, the steering shaft's gonna get you. Well, don't screw up. There's a lot of talking going on. I've been waiting for 2 days to drive these things, so I think we should go ahead and do that.
We should start driving these things.
2 seconds later.
That was the most controlled, out of control runaway go-kart I've ever seen in my life. What's doing that?
I'm not sure yet. They're trying to pull a... Oh, it was f***ing going because it was running out of gas. The gas was off, that's why it was running away.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
move it out 6 feet.
There's no margin for error. Nate's pushing it back now, and he's also breaking
the deck.
The takeoff's 4 feet wide. The landing is, I believe, 8 feet wide. The carts are about 4 feet wide. You're going up it, throttle's pinned. You can't see the landing until you're basically touching down because you jump and you're just like this. But if we do come up short, I don't want to think about what would happen, but dude, it would be really bad.
The size of the brat right now, but we won't be able to fit the brat in without moving it further.
Why does everybody keep talking about this brat? We're jumping something way bigger. Well, let's put 2.
Show me where you want it.
What?
Apparently.
No, let's jump it like this first. Let's just jump it one time, Banks. We'll do something that's like pretty cool. We'll bump it up a bit, and then he's like, no, let's just make it so it's just life or death. Let's do it.
Good Lord.
You're like, oh, you need to amp it up. Be more excited. I'm excited because now he's shivering in his timber. Dude, I don't know if I'm gonna do this. No, I really don't. I really don't think I'm gonna do this. It's so big, Banks. It was like a good size. We made it like 2-3 feet bigger. It was like a large jump. Now it's like a football field.
It looks really big.
We're at 21 feet. This is 30, so I'm 30 to my sweet spot where I want to go. Well, you know what's funny is we're still under what I did on a freestyle. Yeah, ramp. You did it though. I didn't do it. Dude, this is only 20 feet. You put the safety deck on, it's 6 or 7 feet, hey, maybe 8. So it's only going to be so far to it. So even if you screwed up, you're going to live. And now we're talking. Now I'm excited. Before then, like you'd almost jump that on your feet. Like a really good runner could jump that. You want to try now?
No,
exactly.
I don't.
Here, listen. You guys want antsy?
I don't.
You want to do it? Let's go.
No way. Before, maybe I could have drove in a straight line and done it. This is a go-kart. You don't jump go-karts. Like you can't do anything. Once you go, you're in a metal frame and you're going wherever it goes.
Do you know what was funny is Ken Roxon hit me up, your boy, Mr. Slipknot.
Ken Roxon, 94.
He hit me up and he was like, dude, if it bogs, you're
Yeah, because it would. Like, if you come off and it bogs, you're going like this, correct? You're going to endo.
I don't know. I haven't had that luck yet.
Do you guys like our math? Like what we used?
What do you call it? What's the calculation?
Well, Jared Taylor calls it horse math, but like Banksy just threw a 2x4. He goes, put it there. I actually measured it before, and then I had it where I wanted it. And Banksy's like, it's not far enough, and threw a 2x4. He goes, put it there. I'm like, okay.
So come on, there's got to be a theory. What is the calculation?
I don't know. He
Science?
just how hard he can throw.
Pastrana
How hard he can throw. Make sure they're under the post.
I still don't think it's that big. So the carts can go 38. I went 10 under that. So I went 28 to get over it. I do have
like a
speedo. I do. I didn't know that. I just looked at that.
But how do you know how fast you're going to go in the cart? You just got to guess.
I don't. I did it a few times. I'm good. I got to go now though. But I don't know. I want to hit it, but okay.
28. He said you're good at 28.
20. Do I count to 28? What did you jump on on their moto kicker? 25 on the low end. If I go 5 feet past the knuckle, then I have the unofficial record. That's all right. I don't think you're going to win at the end of the day. So you can go ahead and take it if you want. I want my 5 minutes of fame in the go-kart community. All right, fine. I'm jumping. I'll be honest. I am nervous. I know Banks isn't. I am. I'm not a go-kart guy. So I'm going to do one run in, and then we'll let him have the rest of the day. I'm trying to get a world's first.
Do you know how fast to go though?
Yeah, he said way faster.
You realize there's absolutely nothing underneath of you.
Listen, I've gone through all of this. I understand. It's either we let Banks do it, and then I just follow him, or I do it first, and I get the glory. World's longest go-kart jump.
Come on, Christian. Yeah, buddy!
Oh, I might be a driver now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not telling it. I'm not saying I have a career or anything.
What do you mean now? That looked like you already are one. Because like Gray was like, he's acting like he was when he did the triple on the trike.
Nah.
Nah.
Dude, okay, I want to see where I landed, because if that was more than 25 feet, I have the possible world record here, guys. That's gonna stand for another 5 minutes.
Make it.
This is it right here.
That's you.
What's that?
30 feet.
30 feet. World
29.11.
29.11. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna claim it. Go-kart, world's longest jump, until Banks beats me as soon as this cart runs again. Gray could do it, but he's got his toy, so we're gonna raise this up, go a little bit further, and he's gonna sit there and do some spins in the middle. We're going one full section, so 12 feet. Dude, that thing's sick. But you know what's funny? I was talking about this earlier. Everybody from the UK always does donuts to the right. In the US, we do it to the left. It's because they're right-hand drive, we're left-hand drive. You always favor the inside.
Also, I'm limping all day long, and then he just goes, yeah, da, 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 da.
I didn't say it felt good.
So funny. So we told Trav, you know, this morning, build a go-kart ramp, which is totally true, and we said we were just going to jump the Brat. Well, we lied about that, because we're going to jump the Brat, his Subaru, and his Corvette that he won down at Freedom 500. So
This is pretty nuts. Nobody else is jumping go-karts, and I'd love to recreate this into something real, like almost rally cross. But I was walking towards it, I'm like, you know what? I'll do a pass-by, just for safe measures. So, if that says anything. I was talking to Olivia, she's just like me. It's hard to be on camera because we're not like that excited. Like, if we're scared, keep it internal. Focus on the problem, not trying to like,
Hey, quick break to thank Brunt Workwear, helping keeping us dry during mud season, which is my favorite time of the year. Whether you're playing on the four-wheelers or whether you're out doing work, if you want to try it risk-free, go to Brunt Workwear, figure out what you want, order a bunch of stuff, and if you don't like it, you can try it, you can use it, you can abuse it, and you can send it back. Brunt is so convinced that you're going to be satisfied that they are putting that risk-free trial. And when you're trying your first order, type in Pastrana 10 at your checkout for $10 off.
oh, that's nice.
All right, now.
I've got no brakes again.
He's got no brakes.
He has no brakes, so there's no runoff?
No, that's
He's
fine.
gonna end
It's
up on
fine,
the
it's fine,
trampoline.
it's fine. Hey, look, now it's starting everybody else up.
He just mumbled something. I don't know what he said.
I don't know what he said either.
Yeah!
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow!
Thanks. You leaned back and you should not have.
no, I leaned back because I didn't think I was going fast enough.
Oh, you went plenty fast
No,
enough.
you weren't going fast
No,
enough. I don't think you're going fast
He would
enough.
have come up nose if he didn't lean
That
back.
did
he
not
bellied
look
out.
fast enough.
Yeah, he bellied out.
So he saved it.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, we need a cart with different gearing. So, the other cart it is.
I want to go home.
That was insane.
Yeah, if I didn't pull up, I was.
I think so.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I mean,
Been okay.
I don't think so. No, if you would have stayed level, because
was
like
just-
when you did this, it dropped the cart down. Like
Good.
you would have just
I'm
made
gonna
it.
have to go grab
Just
another one.
would have been.
Yeah, he would have made it.
Yeah.
the
Did
one
you
with the
come
spark.
screaming around the back?
That was as fast as I could get it to go. How about this? It was either I could yank and frame case it and I would be fine, or I could have nosed into it.
I think you would have made it.
Yeah, but he didn't know that. I think you were
Dude.
thinking you would have been
Operator situation, man. Like,
I
I'd
would
have been.
So that go-kart has a Can-Am X3 seat in. I landed so hard, I broke the seat, and it zip tied back together. So it'll be okay.
Hey, to be fair, Can-Ams have suspension.
That thing had suspension in the tires, and
It
now
has
it's got.
tires. It does not have suspension.
Yeah, it's banana, orange. Same, but different. That's what I was looking for.
What?
All right, well, hopefully we don't do this again. I'm already broken on my leg and my ankle. I'd rather not crash. There's some cars under there. And
We tried to bleed him. It didn't work.
all right, baby, let's do this.
Come on, Banksy.
Come on, Banks.
Come on. left. I've got no brakes. I had to find a way to stop somehow. So I had to go in the gravel. I went pretty far.
Go-kart ramp! Go-kart ramp!
Thanks, Lindsay, for the ramp. We got a nice ramp, and you're gonna get a nice deck.
And we didn't damage any Corvette or Subaru or Brat.
Well, you guys want to go test them out on the turf track?
Yeah, we should go to the turf track. See you next time on the turf track.